But then it's time to continue with some of more of our middleweight startup track pitches. So first up on stage, we'll have Walkbase. Come on.
Thank you. Can you hear me okay? Okay, thanks for having me. It's been an awesome event so far. Thanks for all the people arranging it. It's been a good event so far for us. So my name is Tuomas Vuoti. I'm the CEO of Walkbase. And what we do, we're here to revolutionize the retail analytics business. Actually, like the brick and mortar stores are struggling at the moment to be relevant on the age of online. And online commerce is eating away their business day by day. And we are going to help them with the help of Walkbase Analytics. By installing this little device in any store, we are able to track actively and accurately all mobile phones that has Wi-Fi. So this means we can get really similar analytics to online analytics in the real world. So with this analytics, we are able to see how many people pass by the store. How well are you able to convert people in your store? This means you can do A/B testing for your advertising instead of relying on a hunch. Previously, you only got the data from point of sales data. What about if you have 10 different stores and you want to see the data before your sales goes down and react to it? So it's really simple to install. It doesn't require any skills. We can send this to the locations. At the retail manager, just plug it in. Takes about two minutes to install, and it's done. Real-time analytics on what's happening. And we're targeting mostly retail chains, malls, airports, and we're selling their service starting from 99 euros per month per store. Really simple, easy to get started. We already have good traction. We have secured our first big pilots. We have one location with over 50,000 square meters, and we're talking with big retail chains at the moment, so everything is going well. We have experienced teams of 5 people, long background in indoor positioning, and we have the execution skills to do it big time. At the moment, we're looking for interested retail pilot customers and also looking to get our next round of funding during Q1. We have a live demo available in our booth where you can actually see who has been the most popular speaker, what's the bounce rate of different speakers, what's the actual real-time dwell and flow time in different areas, and all kinds of interesting data. Come and see it at the demo booth, hear more, and meet the team, meet the live engineer. Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, the next middleweight team to present on this stage is a team that comes all the way from Lithuania. Please welcome Panera on stage. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm really excited to be here. Actually, I love war and strategy games, and now I'm going to present you one. I'm Danius, by the way, nice to meet you all. So, Panera is a browser-based war strategy game for the masses, incorporating both casual and hardcore gameplay elements. So what does the game do? Basically, it entertains men by providing an anonymous aggression environment, which means you have to compete against many others while hiding behind an avatar, so really no violence involved here. But the game appeals to pride, jealousy, and revenge emotions in a social environment. First of all, we know how to make games, because our first product, Spheres, is still active and generating revenues in Lithuania and Latvia markets. Our second title, Panera, is more oriented to global market. Core loop of the game relies on 3 main mechanics. It's level up, attack and steal, and tournaments. So firstly, as a player, you have to build up, raise resources, and produce your armies. And all the possibilities of warfare unlocked before you. And if you combine that with help of your friends, you can participate in massive tournaments to eventually dominate the world. Now, for the market part, both games have been successful in 2 markets, Lithuania and Latvia, with up to 30,000 monthly active users in the biggest social networks there. And we are generating nearly 100,000 euro of revenue per year. And currently, we are one step away from launching Panera in the biggest social networks in Poland that have up to 26 million monthly active users. So we expect at least 300,000 monthly active users of our own there. And next year, we are upping the game even further by going after Russia and Facebook users around the world. what are we looking for right now is publishing financing. Because as we expand and go into bigger markets, we will have more capital needs to accommodate servers, personnel, localization costs, and so on. So what is our business model? How do we make money? The game is basically free, but we sell virtual goods inside the game, like VIP packages, production boosts, and other in-game items. It is also important to say that we do not buy our advertisement, but we get it for free from the social networks in return for revenue share. Now, what numbers does Panera currently have? Nearly 20% of our players engage with the game and play it for 25 minutes. And 4% of our users are paying. And the average revenue per paying user is €12. Retention is nearly 40%, and we haven't used any aggressive marketing yet. So Panera has some great potential there. And finally, who operate the spaceship? Akira is a team of 5. We have 2 game developers, including myself, 1 graphics designer, a tech lead, a team lead, and 2 angel investors. So thank you for attention.
Thank you, Panera. Next up, we have from Stockholm, Sweden, the appropriately named 46 Elks, who are building a revolutionary cloud communication platform. 46 Elks.
Well, good afternoon. My name is Pejman Dashti. I'm the co-founder and chief elk of 46elks.com. We are based in Stockholm, Sweden, and we are 1.5 years in the market. 46 Elks is the revolutionary cloud communication platform to connect your business and service to SMS, MMS, and voice technology. These 3 telephony technology. So suppose you have a business and you want to communicate with your audience, with your users, with your customers, or employees, maybe by sending or receiving SMS, maybe by initiating the phone call or receiving the phone call. The same thing for the MMS. These 3 technologies, you just need to connect your service to our platform and we take care of the rest. It's beautiful, it's like a magic, and it just works fine. How we do it? We already have done the heavy lifting, which means we have the contract with telecom and integration of their services into our platform. We give you a public API, which is a bunch of the command lines. So you just need to connect your service with us, with those bunch of commands. And in a matter of the minutes, you have the ability to communicate with your customers by SMS, MMS, and voice. The business model here is, of course, we charge you per SMS and voice minute. It's a global service, so I would like any developer or any business who is interested, you can go to our website, 46elks.com, and you can register for free. We give you €5 free as well to play around with the system. If you want to see the demo right now, you can also go to our website again, 46elks.com, and there is an SMS game there. You can play around with it to see what's going on. Regarding our current status is we already raised an angel round, and I am out right now to raise another round of the money. These are the good news for us. We signed contracts with more telecom now, so we want to do the geographical expansion. Also, we have a global developer community, mostly in the Europe, so we want to expand our global developer community as well. We also what it called crack the code, which means we now identify the customers and the industries, couple of them, that they have bigger average revenue per user, as they call it, ARPU. So here today and tomorrow, I'm searching for the interested investors to meet with them and to raise another round of the money. Again, go to our website. You can play around with the service for free. And to be honest, I'm passionate about this service is truly revolutionary because we are the first one in Europe that has all the 3 into one package, which is SMS, MMS, and voice technology. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So our last middleweight right now is a team that we found in Shanghai about a year ago. So Startup Sauna went to Shanghai and we found this crazy team and they came all the way from Shanghai to Helsinki. And now they're back here today to do their pitch. I welcome you, I Judge Fights.
Hi, everybody. My name's Scott. I'm from iJudge Fights. We are a mobile application for social scoring of live sport events. Now, like millions of people, I am a huge fan of a sport called mixed martial arts, or MMA. You may know it as cage fighting or ultimate fighting, or you might not have heard of it at all. Basically, it's two highly trained athletes in a cage punching and kicking each other in the face. Now, that probably sounds crazy, but it is the fastest growing sport in the world. 20 years ago, this sport did not exist. Today, it has over 400 million fans, is broadcast on TV in over 180 countries, and major fight events frequently earn television audiences in the tens of millions. Major brands like Nike, Reebok, and Electronic Arts have already moved into this field because the fan base largely consists of that coveted 18 to 34-year-old male demographic. But MMA has a huge problem. Like boxing, fights are often decided by judges, and like all things that involve opinion, those decisions are often controversial. And after every major fight, fans erupt online to debate the outcome. iJudge Fights is building a tool that allows those knowledgeable fans to gather in real time as the fight happens and share their opinions. We are building a community of passionate, engaged fans, and we know how to monetize it. Our application is a social scoring platform for armchair judges. Basically, in real time, as you watch a fight, you use your mobile device to quickly and easily enter your score and share it across your social networks. We then aggregate, visualize, and publish user sentiment in real time so you can compare your score against other fans, friends, and even industry insiders like real judges and professional fighters. We make money by generating revenue from user behavior data that nobody else has. We offer a subscription service for our more passionate customers, and we will soon be incorporating a fantasy sports and gambling revenue stream as well. We're already working with one of the largest fight promotions in the world to incorporate our data into their live broadcasts. In fact, I'm proud to announce that beginning in January of 2013, iJudge Fight's user data will be incorporated into live telecasts on 2 major networks in more than 30 countries around the world. Our team is made up of serious sports fans. I'm a professional fight judge. My co-founder is a ring announcer. We've known each other for years and collaborated on a number of projects, but this is by far the greatest thing that we have ever done, and we're tremendously excited about it. I would love the opportunity to talk to you more about the community that we're building and demo the app for you. Thank you very much.